What's poppin'? What's up, guys? Thank you for coming to this channel. Today we're gonna recreate the shadow text effect. I'm not sure if somebody have done it, so it's not recreating, so it's creating. Get it? Creating. Okay, let's just get into it. So first, just make a composite shot and then add a new layer and add the text. Now I'm just gonna write Netflix and put it in red color so that it will be clear. After that, just go to the effects tab and write drop shadow. Now after that, you need to take the drop shadow and put it on your text. Okay, so here's what you need to do. Go to the color and put a dark color. You can even leave it like black is still good. Now go on distance. You're gonna put keyframes. Yeah, so now I want, for the first drop shadow, I want you to put 2. So you're gonna duplicate and multiply by 2, that is 4 if you don't know maths. Okay, so that's what you're gonna be doing every time you duplicate, and then you're gonna multiply by 2. So I'm gonna fast forward this. Yeah, okay. So after all this, we are personally done, or are we? Okay, what if you're lazy, and what should you do? Well then, I've got something for you. What you need to do is to go down below and click the link. Now it will direct you to this site. Or this site, you need to scroll down and go to the download section. Now after that, you're gonna click the link that is written, the shadow text effect. So after all of this, you just need to go up and then click on subscribe to my channel, so that you will subscribe to my channel. And after that, voila, we are done. Now please subscribe to this channel and please like this video. Yeah, see you next time.